Let's make a very fresh pineapple and cucumber salad with a secret ingredient that's on the top. See the whole video. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's see the whole video. Take a bowl like this. Pineapple, cucumber, cilantro, chili, freshly squeezed lemon juice, sesame seed, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, drizzle a little bit of sesame oil, salt, combine well. Place a pot like this with oil to fry the rice. Basmati rice. Puffed rice. Remove from the oil. The puffed rice is hot. Pinch of chili powder. Combine. Transfer to a serving plate. The puffed rice. The salad within seconds is ready now. Let's taste it. Now you know what is the secret ingredient on the top, right? It's puffed rice for nation salad. Let's try. Wow, very nice. Very fresh flavors. The pineapple, the cucumber, hint of chili, then the olive oil, then the freshness of the coriander. Wow, and the crunchiness from the puffed rice. So good. So, when you eat, how you eat? My way, Joss Moses Kitchen way. Enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. See you with a new video.